Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make a fantastic zebra cake without ever turning on your oven. This no-bake dessert is surprisingly simple, requiring only a few core ingredients. You'll be amazed at how easily you can create those iconic black and white stripes. It's a perfect treat for any occasion, especially when you want something quick and impressive. Let's get started on this delightful, easy-to-make cake. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of very cold, heavy whipping cream, which is crucial for whipping properly. Grab 1 9-ounce package of thin chocolate wafer cookies. These form the cake's structure. For a touch of flavor, have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. If you prefer a sweeter cream, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar can be added. That's all it takes for this delightful dessert. Now for the fun part, assembly. First, whip your cold, heavy cream with the vanilla extract and powdered sugar until it forms stiff peaks. Next, spread a thin layer of this delicious whipped cream onto your serving platter. Take 1 chocolate wafer, spread about 1 tablespoon of cream on it, and sandwich it with another wafer. Repeat this process, standing the sandwiched cookies upright to form a long log. Finally, generously cover the entire log with your remaining whipped cream. The final and most important step is chilling. Place your assembled cake in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. For the absolute best texture, let it chill overnight or even up to 24 hours. This extended chill time allows the chocolate wafers to absorb moisture from the cream, transforming them into a wonderfully soft, cake-like consistency. Before serving, you can add a beautiful garnish of fresh raspberries or chocolate sprinkles. Then, slice and enjoy your magnificent no-bake zebra cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.